everyone. Welcome to Chef Mandarin. I'm your Mandarin teacher, Teacher Celinewong. Learn Mandarin, be happy. And today I'm going to continue to teach you the common Mandarin pronunciation mistake. Let's see what are the common mistakes we have usually make. Let's see the number one. Okay, you notice my mouth. What I say is a common pronunciation mistake because people will confusing with the pronunciation of this one between this one. Okay, usually people, especially for foreigners, they don't know how to differentiate the sound of this one and this one. Okay, you see how I pronounce it. So and is different. And is different. Is not is not is not and is not Okay, let's see how to pronounce this in one. They have the common thing. One of the common thing is this one, and with sound. This is the sound. Nasal final sound. Okay, see, this is the sound. Okay, this is the initial of R. This is the initial of O. This is the initial of E. This is the initial of U. Okay, R plus the sound is But how to pronounce Move your tongues to the back of your upper teeth. Move your tongue to the back of your upper teeth. Okay, this is your lower teeth, lower front teeth. This is your upper front teeth. When you pronounce imagine the sound, your sound seems like come to the front. Okay, you see, and your tongue move to the back of your upper teeth. And when you want to check whether I pronounce correctly or not, you can check it. You put your finger to your nose. You can feel like the sound come to the front. Second one is the sound. Is not is not okay. In, ong have one common thing is end with the sound. End with the sound. Okay, this is the sound. Sound. And this is the initial of R, E, O. So when R sound plus sound is Okay, when sound plus sound is E sound plus sound is in. O sound plus sound is The first initial you need to prolong it. And then after you prolong the first initial, move your tongue backwards. Move your tongue backwards. Move your tongue backward. You see, when you pronounce you can feel like the sound doesn't go in front. The sound seems like go backward. Okay, you try to imagine. Um, You seem like you speak to the person behind. And keep practicing like this. Okay. The third common pronunciation mistake we have usually make is Ayo, you say teacher, why everything seems like so difficult, or this one is more easy for you. Okay, this is your upper front teeth, this is your lower front teeth, and this is your tongue. Okay, when you pronounce okay, don't move everything, just don't move. Just move your tongue from this upper part to the lower part of your teeth. This one is very easy, right? Okay, let's see this pronunciation. This pinyin have no tone. No first tone, no second tone, no third tone, no fourth tone. No tone. So no tone, we pronounce L. It's very happy sound, very light sound. Okay, actually there's many Chinese words have the pronunciation of L. Okay, and no tone one. And I choose the Chinese word. L means already. I have eaten. 我吃饱了. 我吃饱了. Okay, good. Okay, the fourth one is this one. 哥. Ayo, you say teacher. One more thing, very difficult. You imagine your soft plate is closer to the back of your throat. Your soft plate is closer to the back of throat. It's a theory like this. When you are vomiting, you push your throat, right? So you pronounce ge. It's the same theory like you are vomiting. Ge. Oh, very easy, right? So this is ge. So this one means brother. When you call your brother, don't call don't call Okay, try to pronounce it right and very beautiful. 哥哥 come. 哥哥来. 哥哥 come. 哥哥来. 哥哥 good, very good. So the last one we learned is You can notice one common thing is actually and is the same theory of the vomit theory. Just imagine you are vomiting. You put your hand here and you can feel like your throat is like go up a bit. Good. So this one, this Mandarin word with the pronunciation of turtle. This is the initial and this is the final. With the turtle. Turtle is So this Chinese word have the pronunciation of means thirsty. If you want to say I drink water. You can say 我很渴. 我 means me. 很 means very. Thirsty means 渴. I am thirsty. 我很渴. 我要喝水. I want water. Give me a water to drink. Okay, after that, you don't feel thirsty anymore. Okay, this is my lesson for the common mistake. So before we end the lesson, let us do one more time revision. An, in, yin, wen, ong. Okay, this one. L, already. Already. Brother. And this one sanctuary. Thirsty. Thirsty. I am thirsty. 我很渴. I want water. 我要喝水. Come give me a water now. Okay, that's all my lesson for today. I hope you understand. So, learn Mandarin, be happy. I'm your Mandarin teacher, teacher celinewong. See you on next time. Bye.